Whiskey 7 Charlie Sierra Alpha.
Roger, and what's the name, please?
Name, please? Yeah, the name is Robert, and I'm located in Gastonia, North Carolina.
Roger, Robert. Good afternoon to you, sir. This is KC9VKV. Name here is Jim. And what radio are you running, sir?
Yes, sir. I have the YAESU 3000. Have a HAL PR781 microphone going to halfway 40 meter dipole up about 50 feet.
Roger. Well, your audio sounds good. Looks good on the meter, sir.
Yeah, roger that. Yeah, I was just double checking. I have talked with you before. Actually, I found a YouTube video of me talking to you. I guess you record these shows, so you had helped me out before. I just thought I'd stop by and say hello. I won't stick around long, so you can help someone else. But yeah, I appreciate your help there. And yeah, you're sounding real good down here in North Carolina today.
Roger. Yeah, what we do, we record for an hour and a half, and the first thing we do is post the whole hour and a half program up on YouTube, and then as time permits, we take certain segments out of that and post them separately. So we have one long hour and a half post, which is the group air check, and then we take certain ones out and upload them separately. Roger?
Roger? Yeah, roger. Yeah, roger that. But all right, I won't hold you because you said my audio sounds good, so I'll let you get to someone that maybe just got on the radio today and having trouble with that parametric EQ because yeah, I remember the first day I had mine. Yeah, it took me a little while to get used to it. So, all right, hey, good talking to you again. And you have a good one. I can't remember where you are. I think you were in Ohio. I believe you were in Illinois. But all right, you have a good one, Jim. And W7CSA, and I'll be clear after you.
Roger that. Could you come back slowly, phonetically, with your call sign?
Fine. Yeah, it's Whiskey 7 Charlie Sierra Alpha. Whiskey 7 Charlie Sierra Alpha.
Roger, roger. And the name?
The name? Name's Robert. I'm located in Gastonia, North Carolina.
Roger, Robert. 3ZWay, sir. Thanks for checking in. And if you get a chance, check in next Friday and say hello, and we'll compare notes, see how everything's been going. Roger, roger.
Oh, yeah, roger that. Roger that. Okay, you have a good one. I got to get back to work over here.
Roger, roger. 3ZWay, sir. This is KC9VKV and the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog program. Somebody was tuning up. That's not polite. You don't want to tune up on an active frequency. Now, I know that you probably couldn't hear me. Yeah, I know you probably couldn't hear me, but I could hear you, so I'm pretty sure that you can hear me. So it's not a good idea to tune up on an active frequency. This is KC9VKV, the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog program. If you've got a radio, you want to check out the audio, give us a shout. KC9VKV.